Hi, subscribers. I want to thank you again for subscribing to my TikTok subscription. So, this is a lesson about words that you might hear at work or at school, or it might be a question that someone asks you to do. And I want you to understand what these words mean. So, the word analyze, and I want you to say that with me. Analyze, that means to break down information to understand its parts. So when I do a lesson for you in English, I want you to analyze the lesson. I want you to look at the information and understand its parts. So I give you the word and the meaning, and sometimes I give you a sentence that uses that word. So I want you to analyze, and that means to look at the different parts to understand. And if someone asks you at work to analyze a report, they want you to look at the information, break it apart, and understand it in each of its parts. That's what the word analyze means. The word describe is to explain what something is like. Now, we describe things a lot. You might describe to someone what something looks like the sweater is green. The sweater is soft. I'm describing the sweater. But someone might also ask you to describe something, say at work, maybe explain or describe a piece of information, and they want you to tell and explain what it is like. Describe for me what it is like to be a student learning English. Describe. Give me words that tell me what it's like to be a student of English. So that's analyze, break apart information, and understand its parts, and describe, explain what something is like. Okay? There's 2 words. Let's do 2 more. The next word is summarize. And think about the word summary. They're asking you to give a short account or give either spoken or written. Tell me the main points. So if you have a lot of information, maybe at work or your job, and someone says, summarize it for me. Just tell me the main points. What is the most important thing about this that I need to know? So that is summarize. Compare is to find ways that the same things are, that some things are similar. So when we compare something, we're looking for the ways they are the same. That's different than when I do a lesson called What's the Difference? I am, here's another word, differentiating. I'm telling you what is different about 2 things. But if someone asks you to compare, they're asking you to find what is the same. For example, can you compare these 2 markers? Okay, how are they the same? They are both dry erase markers. They are both the same size. They both write well. That is ways they are the same. That I am comparing these 2 markers. If I ask you to contrast or tell me the difference, you would say one marker is blue and one marker is black. And that's telling me what is different. But compare is to find ways that some things are the same or similar. And summarize is to give a short account, to give either written or spoken. Tell me the main points, the most important information. Just tell me that when you summarize. Analyze, describe, summarize, and compare. Those are 4 words that you need to know in English when you're learning English word by word.